finna fry us some pork steak, baby. Get in here, get in here, get in here. Alright, so I cook in canola oil. I got 2 of these for $10 at Costco. I couldn't believe it. My first time going in there. So, we're gonna pull our canola oil up in here. And I never could see that line. There we go. Yeah, baby, I love my pork steak fried and laid to the side. Pantry full. Alright, so we're gonna let our grease get hot, like me and you, and outside, and we're gonna come back and we're gonna fry them. What up, Cut Besties? I'm just pat drying after I washed my pork steak. I'm just drying it off, and we finna season it. I'm frying mine, so yeah. But when I wash my meat, the food that you eat, ooh, you can do it, but ooh, what I'm finna fry, I like to dry it off, because your seasonings will run right out. So I'm just gonna do your basic seasoning. As you see, I'm about out. I'm a wild seasoner, so seasoning salt and black pepper. I don't need onion powder. I don't need garlic powder. And I'm gonna pat it in. Normally I would bake them, but I want them fried, so I ain't. So y'all, why y'all didn't tell me Costco's was like a beehive? I went in Costco's for the first time today, and that place was like a beehive. I was like, what in the world? But it was fun though. I ended up spending $129. So, I'm gonna make these with a baked potato. And here you go, they good and seasoned. Pork steak. Sit that down here. Alright, y'all, let's get our pork steak because it's ready. It don't take long for them to cook. Ooh, Lord, it's so fat. Okay, we're going to use a bit of container. Let me go get the other one. I'm going to sit this right here, y'all. Y'all watch. Don't eat it now. I know it look good. I know it look good, but don't you eat it. Let me go get the other one. And we'll flour it up together. We're just going to stick it down up in there real deep. And shake it like a salt shaker. In order to be in the bag, so you gotta shake it real good. And then get that excess off. And then dip it in. And then we're going to get ready to do the baked potato. I'm going to do them in the microwave because ain't nobody got time to boil them or bake them. So I'm going to get ready to do that. And I'll be back when we make our baked potatoes. Oh, Lord. Okay. All right, Cut Besties.